In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join King Legacy Discord server. If you're looking to join the official King Legacy Discord server, you've come to the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish. It only takes a few moments, and once you've joined, you'll have access to a community where you can chat with other players, stay informed about game updates, learn about upcoming events, and participate in discussions with fellow fans of King Legacy. To begin, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once Discord has finished loading, look over to the left side of the screen where all of your current servers are displayed. At the bottom of that list, you'll see a plus icon. This is the button Discord provides whenever you want to create a new server or join an existing one. Click the plus icon to continue. A menu will appear with several options. Scroll to the bottom and choose Join a Server. Discord will then display a text box where you can enter a server invitation link. This is where you'll need the official King Legacy Discord invite. If the invite link is included in the description of this video, simply copy it and paste it into the invitation box. If you're entering the invite manually, take your time and make sure every character is entered exactly as shown. Even a small spelling mistake or missing character can prevent the invitation from working properly, so it's worth checking the link before moving on. Once you've entered the correct invite link, click the Join Server button at the bottom of the window. Discord will verify the invitation, and if the link is active, you'll automatically become a member of the official King Legacy Discord server within a few seconds. After joining, you may first see a welcome page, a rules channel, or a verification section. Many large gaming communities require new members to read the server rules or complete a quick verification step before gaining access to all of the available channels. Simply follow the instructions that appear on your screen to unlock the rest of the server. After you've completed any required verification, you can start exploring the different text channels, join voice channels if they're available, interact with other King Legacy players, ask questions, share strategies, and stay up to date with announcements directly from the game's community. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, click the plus icon, choose Join a Server, enter the correct invite link, and click Join Server. You'll then be ready to enjoy everything the official King Legacy Discord server has to offer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,